Hi everyone, Rainey here, and in my last video I did a review of my Malone trailer, and one thing I didn't mention is that it can be difficult with a low bed trailer to back up, because once I get the trailer loaded with my canoe and the pontoons and I'm backing up my Honda Pilot and we're going down the ramp, I can't see anything. Okay, I have no idea where I'm backing up. So what's the solution? Okay, I was thinking of tying big poles up and all that. Then going through Walmart a few weeks ago, I found these critters. Okay, they're magnetic and they have a little yellow ball, and watch this, it's going to be magic. Okay, look at that. It expands, what's that, about 3, almost 4 feet. So it's quite an expansion. So what I can do now is, I don't know if you can see it if we go, well, I actually put them on both sides of the trailer. Look, you still can't see it. If I go way down here maybe, there we go. So I put that on my trailer, and I have 2 of them, one on each end, and now I can back up. Now you're probably wondering, what does it look like when it's on the trailer? So I'm going to go put them on the trailer so you can actually see it. So here we are again at my Malone Micro Sport trailer, and you could see those little extension arms at full extension right over there, and of course my canoe goes right in the middle of them. Now the thing is, with the pontoons go out on each side, but what I do is I just back it into the water, and once I have it in the water, okay, watch this one, I just go down right over here and I grab it. I just take it off and I close it up and throw them in the back of the car. Okay, so it's really great because now when I'm backing up, I can see that yellow ball that sticks out like a sore thumb. See that? Sore thumb, sore thumb. And I could back it right into the water easily. So if you want to put it someplace else, you can come forward. You could put it there. I can put it pretty much anywhere on the trailer, and pretty much any height that I like. So now I can back up safely, and I can actually do it just in my rear view mirror without having to, look around and open the door and look out. So they're great little doojiggies. Like I said, I got them at Walmart in the boating section, and I think they were like $10, under $10 for the pair. So go over there, take a look at them, get them. If you like them, let me know what you thought of them, and I will see you in the next video. Happy sailing. Bye-bye now.